Boom shakalaka. Today's video is a Bitcoin blast from the past. We're taking a look at Bitcoin this day in history over the past 6 years. See what Bitcoin was up to. Hopefully gain a little bit of perspective, maybe learn something, maybe see some predictions that I was right or wrong. Maybe see that, hey, the channel's developed a little bit over the year. Anybody can be a content creator. Maybe you could too. Welcome to Bitcoin Throwback Week.
Boom shakalaka. Every time Bitcoin does this one thing, a massive rally ensues. And guess what? It just happened again. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at this one thing that Bitcoin just did that every time it has done this previously, it has led to a massive rally. We're going to get into exactly what that is. Before we do, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @CryptoLove, where we share all of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Push the like button. And today, Extreme Fear 21, no change from yesterday or the last week for that matter. The entire market up 1%. Bitcoin in 19,600, Ethereum at 1345, BNB at 286, XRP 48 cents, Cardano 43 cents, Solana at $34, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And Bitcoin has been trading between the 200 and the 280 weekly moving average since June for a few months right now. But as you can see, we do have this nice little uptrend that we've had for the past couple weeks that Bitcoin is continuing in, coming up quick to the previous all-time high, $20,000. Now this type of pattern generally breaks to the upside, but we'll have to see what happens with Bitcoin this time. If we take a look across all markets right now, panicking traders are buying puts at record levels. This is a record high number put call ratio. That is huge. People are betting on the market going down, and the market does like to disappoint the most people possible. If we take a look at the QQQ social percent bullish, the consensus is heavily skewed towards one side. Only 8% of tweets are bullish, the second lowest amount in a decade. And if we take a look at the last time that it was this low, look at that. A nice rally ensued afterwards. If we take a look at the S&P 500 futures positions, firmly bearish, only 4 other times since 2008. So clearly the overall sentiment is very, very bearish. But Dylan LeClaire saying, not calling the bottom, but from a fundamental standpoint, in hindsight, is the best time to buy Bitcoin when everyone is underwater. We're there, but a volatility panic and legacy would assuredly send the market lower in the interim. Check the 30-day change of the average holder basis. You can see we are in the negative down here. We are also in red in Bitcoin area underneath the weighted price for Bitcoin. Everyone's underwater. This historically has been bottom territory. We also have extreme network capitulation nearing record lows. We have extreme capitulation. In 2011, it was only 48 days. In 2015, it was only 48 days. In 2018, it was 127 days. So far in 2022, we've already been there for 108 days, another 2 weeks, and we will reach record capitulation never seen before for Bitcoin. But if we take a look at some other charts, we can see it appears like things are starting to turn around. We have this rainbow band index. Well, when it flips, generally that's the bottom for Bitcoin price. When it flips, generally the bottom for Bitcoin price. When it flips, generally the bottom for Bitcoin price, what we have already seen. Not only that, but we can also take a look at these levels down here. Generally, we have a nice slope, and then once we break that slope, which we're about to do, that signals the bottom is already over, proceeding as usual. It appears like Bitcoin's just doing it once again, where we have this sideways megaphone, eventually falls down, finds bottom, and then comes all the way back up. Now, the first one, a few years, 2013 and 2016. The second one, 2017 and 2020. This one, 2021, possibly end of 2023. We might be seeing a bit of a recovery, or middle, even better. Now, if we take a look at the Williams alligator, the last 2 times, this has signaled the bottom when the lips crossed the jaw, so when green crossed blue, which happened, when the teeth crossed the jaw, blue crossed red, and the price was below the draw. All 3 of those things happened, bottom was already in. Bottom was already in. Guess what? All 3 of those things happened, bottom likely already in. So what is this thing that Bitcoin just did that the previous times it has done this has led to a very significant rally? Well, whenever Bitcoin decouples with the S&P 500, Bitcoin higher lows while S&P lower lows, a decent rally follows. We can see A, B, C, D, E, all shown down here. We have Bitcoin price going up, S&P going down. Bitcoin up, S&P down. Bitcoin up, S&P down. Bitcoin up, S&P down. Most recently, Bitcoin up, S&P down. Each time previously has led to a pretty massive rally, because if we take a look at it at another way, the Bitcoin S&P 500 divergence history, when we have a bullish divergence, price goes up. When we have a bullish divergence, price goes up. When we have a bearish divergence, price goes down. When we have a bearish divergence, price goes down. Well, we just had another bullish divergence, likely to send Bitcoin price much higher in the short term. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser. If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.